Mercury, the planet, is shrinking. The smallest planet in our solar system is breaking its own record and getting even smaller. Mercury has a solid crust and a large metallic core that's likely partly molten or liquid, and this part makes up 85% of the planet's radius. This is important, I promise. When we look at Mercury, we see it covered in impacts, which makes sense because it doesn't really have an atmosphere to protect it. But we also see giant cliffs that are hundreds of kilometers long and up to 3 kilometers high. These cliffs formed when the core of the planet cooled, and when it cooled, it contracted. The interior cooled when the solar system calmed down and Mercury wasn't constantly being hit by things and it wasn't covered in magma. So the surface, which was already solid when it started to shrink, rippled as it shrunk. So far, it seems that Mercury has shrunk up to 7 kilometers, but some of these ripples are new, less than 50 million years old, which means it's likely that Mercury is still shrinking. Oh, and the same thing's happening to the moon.